Hey guys, I'm back. Today is, what is today's date? March the 3rd. And I'm on my way to my 36-week OB appointment. So today I have a check-in with the actual provider. And then I think I also do my NST testing today too as well. Or do I do sono today? I don't know, something like that. Anyway. And I probably should be getting my GBS swab today as well. If you didn't check out my last video, I did test positive again for cholestasis, so I will be getting induced. So I believe today I will be getting my induction date. So yeah, stay tuned. Oh yeah, ladies, before I go into my appointment, I want to say this really quickly before I forget. For all you women who are pregnant, whether you're far along or you just found out you're pregnant or want to get pregnant or you're adopting, whatever, just know that don't let these jobs bully you into not going into your doctor's appointments, not scheduling your doctor's appointments. I'm pretty sure, I'm almost positive that every state has to abide by the Pregnancy Fairness Workers Act. I think that's a federal law. It's not state by state, it's federal. So your employer has no choice but to abide by that law, which will allow you to go to your doctor's appointments, period. And it also protects you if you have morning sickness. Your job is supposed to work with you to make accommodations and all that stuff. Check that law out to see what you qualify for. Don't let these folks bully you into not taking care of yourself and your kid. Okay? You always see me going to appointments, but I usually schedule my appointments on my off day. I'm off on Fridays, so that works out. But today is Tuesday, and I'm going to I work from 9 to 7, and I'm going to my appointment. It's almost 9 o'clock now, and I ain't getting no lip, because you can't give me no lip, because I'm protected by the Pregnancy Fairness Workers Act, bitch. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm on my way to work now from my doctor's appointment. So we might have some good news. So remember I told you I tested positive for cholestasis again, and but they still did not give me an induction date. So when I tested positive for cholestasis with my first kid, they automatically gave me an induction date of 36 weeks. So I had him at 36 weeks, but this time the doctor is saying would most likely induce you at 39 weeks. So I'm like, why am I going basically to my due date if I have cholestasis when y'all didn't let me go to my due date with my last child? And she explained it depends on your numbers, depends on where you're at on the scale of how high your numbers is or not. So I had to take lab work again today so they could check my numbers. And if my numbers are the same as it was last week, then I'll be induced at 39 weeks. But if they got higher than what it was last week, then of course I would have to be induced earlier on. Now if they talking about inducing me at 39 weeks, I am so not mad at that, because I ain't got nothing prepared. Like it's moving, I gotta get my house together. I still gotta work. You know what I'm saying? That's like, I'm missing out on checks if you induce me earlier. You know what I'm saying? I'm missing out on my checks. Because you know, as soon as you go on maternity leave, and if you got short-term disability, you only getting paid 60% of your check. Like, no. And then if you looked at my last video, you know men ain't shit, whether you married or not. And I unfortunately am married, and niggas ain't shit. Anywho, like I said, I'll save that for another video. I pretty much operate as a single parent around this bitch, okay? Well, a co-parent, basically, but really a single parent, because this motherfucker don't. Anyway. I go off on a tangent. So yeah. I think that's all I got. And why you young nurses don't know what a nun's cap is? I asked for a nun's cap because you still got to do them samples every time you go to the doctor. I don't know what they checking for in your urine. I don't know. They keep talking about they keep checking your protein levels or whatever. But child, every fucking time, there ain't no other way. And then when you're 9 months pregnant, like you need a nun's cap at this point. And you young nurses don't know what the hell that is. So I'm just like, whatever. So yeah, I'm on my way to work. I could use a nap already. And I'll see you later. I still need to do the unboxing of my of the car seat that I got, because I got the new EvenFlo Shift Intuity Sensory Soothe car seat. It has light to play music and all that stuff. So I still have to do the unboxing for that because it's getting installed in the car on Saturday by the fire department. So I do have to do the unboxing of that. I'm probably gonna do that Friday. Yeah. Alrighty. See you. Good morning. Good morning. Like what Funky Doniva be saying. Anywho, I'm on my way to work. What is today? Child, I don't know. I know today's a Thursday, but I don't know what the day is. Anywho, I'm on my way to work. I dropped off Cairo to his grandmother's house. I'm on my way to work. And I stopped by Dunkin' Donuts. So Dunkin' Donuts and Starbucks is having like this banana flavor line all of a sudden, right? So if you checked out my last video, I tried the banana bread latte. No, the banana bread matcha or something like that from Starbucks in my last video. And it didn't taste like nothing like no banana anything. It was good, it was drinkable, but it didn't taste nothing like nothing they said it was gonna taste like. So Dunkin' has the banana line, 2 different banana drinks. I got the Banana Rama matcha, in a size large because your girl thirsty. Anywho, and when I tell you, yes, this is it. This tastes straight like what it said it's gonna taste like. It tastes like Banana Rama. If I'm gonna get something banana, I want it to taste like banana, okay? This tastes just like banana, okay? And I got it how it comes. It comes with, I think, 4 pumps of banana syrup. But I did add 2 Splendors in it. So it comes with the matcha powder, banana syrup, and then my 2 Splendors. So yes, it tastes so good. Dunkin' don't never fail me anyway, okay? Dunkin' don't never fail me. I'm stick to my Dunkin'. Y'all be hating on Dunkin', but Dunkin' don't be failing me. Starbucks, I never go to Starbucks. I just wanted to try their banana line because I love banana flavored things and banana scents and stuff like that. But Starbucks was a nah. Anywho, on my way to work per usual. Like, what else do I go really? To work. I'm always at work. Work. I'm just glad and I'm just lucky that both my jobs are places that I don't mind going because it's such a laid back job. And I actually like these 2 particular jobs. So I don't mind being there. So I'm grateful for that. Because it's been times where it was like pulling teeth to get me to go to the damn job because I hated it so much. But I just am grateful that I have 2 jobs that I actually like, that I enjoy. And it's very non-stressful, very laid back. I do as I please. The work is very chill. I don't do too much. But I always tell people I didn't go to college all these years and pay all this money for X, Y, and Z to work hard. Okay. Period. I want to tell y'all about the strep though. What strep B test that you take in pregnancy? Why are they still doing it the way they are doing it in today's time? Why is there no other way to test you for strep B and pregnancy other than playing in your fucking booty hole? Like, why are you late and dark? We ain't that cool. Like, why y'all can't figure out another way to do that shit? Like, this is ridiculous. And I'm pretty sure some man at some point thought to do that. Some doctor who was a man was like, let's play in these women booty holes and tell them that we tested for strep B, even though we could have just tested them through blood. I'm telling you, a man thought of that. I mean, like, what would be the reason? Like, what would be the fucking reason? Like, it's fucking ridiculous. So, another thing. I hate when they always ask you to leave a sample when you're pregnant, and then you ask them, why do you have to keep leaving the goddamn sample every time you go? And then they tell you something different every time, but they don't never tell you all of the information. I feel like these doctors' offices need to be upfront with you immediately when they ask for that sample. Like, you walk into your appointment and they should say, okay, leave a sample, we're testing for X, Y, and Z today. Don't just be testing for shit and then the patient don't know what the fuck you're testing for. Because then I'm gonna feel like you're doing shit on purpose, or like you're like, especially being a black woman. You can't be doing no slick shit, because we're gonna automatically think you trying to say something. You know what I'm saying? Like, when I did my sample last, because this pregnancy, I don't leave samples every time. If I don't have to pee, I don't have to pee. You can't force me to do anything. I'm the patient. Like, you don't tell me, okay? I'm not gonna sit there all day either. But the times I do leave a sample, they always tell me they're checking this to make sure that you don't have no protein in your urine, your HCG levels, blah, blah, blah. But this time, when I left a sample this time, they checked my creatinine levels, protein in your urine, and also they did a whole panel for illicit drugs. Mind you, I understand they probably do that during pregnancy, but I didn't know they do it twice. They do it like your first, in the beginning, and then they do it towards the end, obviously. But the thing is, why didn't you tell me that you was checking for illicit drugs? I don't like that sneak stuff. You should have told me in today's sample, we're doing your pH, protein levels in your urine, and checking for illicit drugs. That should have been disclosed. Me as a black woman, I'm like, I don't like no sneak shit. Why y'all sneaking it in there? Okay? And I'm pretty sure they do this to everybody, but being a black woman, we automatically gonna become suspicious of the provider or the medical system or whoever the fuck, because y'all always doing some fuck shit. Now, that's the only reason why that bothered me, because I felt like it wasn't explained and it was being sneaky. But them actually testing for the drugs, I don't give a fuck about that. I'm not crackhead. Whatever, but it should have been disclosed. I don't like no shit like that. I don't like no shit like that. Anywho, I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Hey guys, check out this new EvenFlo sensory soothe car seat that I just purchased off of Amazon. This car seat came in pink. Well, online it says purple, but I purchased this for about $379, so almost $400 for a baby girl. Yes, just me alone, nobody else. Anywho, so this is the unboxing. We had to take it to our local firehouse to get it installed by a certified car seat specialist to make sure that the car seat is in the car correctly. This is where we take all our car seats, and of course his dad had to come too, because we had to install the car seat in the other vehicle as well, a different car seat. Yeah.
These are the instructors telling us about safety and how to use the car seat. I
Right.
love this car seat. It has lights, music, all of the above, and it also alerts you if something is going on with the baby in the back.
I know.
So yeah, you can also get the stroller and car seat combo, but I didn't need the stroller. Just needed the car seat, and of course she had to have pink. Why not? Anywho, so yeah, this is us listening to some instructions or some recommendations about the car seat. I recommend that you guys go to a certified car seat specialist to get your car seats installed. At least you will know it's done correctly, because
I know
following
that's
them
under the mirror.
instructions that come in the box is hard,
Yeah.
okay? I don't care what nobody say. It's like a puzzle. Let's see. Unfortunately, this is where things took a turn for
Okay.
the worse once we left after getting installed. Like I said, I'm gonna do a story time once I get everything situated. Just know that, police was called again, protection orders, all of the above. Okay. If you're religious or male centered, this ain't the video for you. Or the next couple videos ain't gonna be for you, because I ain't finna sit in misery for nobody, and my kids are the priority. Okay.